I've asked a few of my amigas to record their food preparation of some traditional Colombian meals. This is the first of, I hope, many videos showcasing foods from around the world. I think you'll be amazed at the incredible foods that they make, the obvious pride they take in the presentation, as well as the high quality of ingredients that they use. None of these women are professional, but rather they cook from their hearts with love for their families and friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Curious Perro. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It focuses on interesting and diverse content, from travel to food to culture and events and experiences around the world. Things that this gringo finds exciting. Please join the adventures and watch on.